Portal 2 is a first-person puzzle platform video game developed and published by Valve Corporation. It is the sequel to the 2007 game Portal and was released in April 2011 for Microsoft Windows, OS X, Linux, the PlayStation 3, and the Xbox 360. The retail versions of the game were published by Electronic Arts, while online distribution of the PC versions is handled by Valve's content delivery service Steam. Portal 2 was announced in March 2010, following a week-long alternate reality game based on new updates to the original game. Before the game's release on Steam, the company released The Potato Sack, a second multi-week alternate reality game, involving 13 independently developed titles which culminated in a distributed computing spoof to release Portal 2 several hours early. The game retains Portal's gameplay elements, and adds new features, including tractor beams, laser redirection, bridges made of light, and paint-like gels that accelerate the player's speed or allow the player character to jump higher or place portals on any surface. In the single-player campaign, the player controls protagonist Chell, awoken from suspended animation after many years, who must navigate the now dilapidated Aperture Science Enrichment Center during its reconstruction by the reactivated GLaDOS, a powerful supercomputer. The storyline introduces new characters, including Wheatley and Cave Johnson. Ellen McLain reprised the role of GLaDOS. Jonathan Coulton and The National each produced a song for the game. Portal 2 also includes a two-player cooperative mode, in which the robotic player characters Atlas and P-Body are each given a portal gun and are required to work together to solve puzzles. Valve provided post-release support for the game, including additional downloadable content and a simplified map editor to allow players to create and share test chambers with others. Although concerns were initially expressed by some about the difficulty of expanding Portal into a full sequel, Portal 2 has since been considered to be one of the greatest video games of all time by numerous publications and critics. It received acclaim for its gameplay, pacing, dark humor, writing, the voice work of McLain, Merchant, and Simmons, and its challenging but surmountable learning curve.